What is going on, lazy bushcrafting fans? It's myself, Owen. I am going to do an unboxing of the Sony 24-70 f2.8 GMASTER II. This is the reason why I haven't done any hiking videos in such a long time, because I did not have a lens for my FX3. But today, on June 17th, 2022, I got the GMASTER II. Now, you might be wondering why I am doing a voiceover, and it's because it's simple. I am a dumbass. Forgot to turn on the mic, did not get the good audio that I would be getting, and I did not want to use the really tinny onboard audio from my camera. So I am going to do a voiceover right now. After taking it out of the bag and putting it in my hands, I can tell you one thing, and that is this thing feels absolutely premium. 24 to 70. Yep, 70, 24. And let me put this together, I guess. Movie magic, just like this.